Man, all these videos are just whatever. Holy shit. Hey guys, so if you're struggling to grow your YouTube channel, you might be doing it wrong. 70% of what people watch on YouTube is determined by its recommendation algorithm. So I created a growth blueprint on how to reverse engineer your YouTube channel to get more views. You can check it out by following the link in the description down below. Okay, so when it comes down to making your video get more views, it's not just about, you know, the mindset and the effort. It's not just that. That's the biggest part, I believe, is having the right mindset going in. But there's specific tools and strategies that are super important for you to follow to really know how this online world of social media and posting videos works. One of the biggest things that I believe everyone needs to understand when it comes to making videos is keyword research. When you do keyword research, it's basically like you're figuring out what people are actively searching for, and then you can see, that is the kind of video that I've been wanting to make. I'm gonna go make that. So if someone asks, you know, going back to that Star Wars example, is Kylo Ren a Skywalker? You can make a video with that question, and you can make a video talking about, you know, how much you care about this and all the research you've done in the movies and the comics and everything that goes into Star Wars, and you can create this controversial topic that people will watch and follow and drop their comments down, and then all of that will grow your channel. So because you did keyword research, it allowed you to get in front of the right people. If you just title your video Star Wars Kylo Ren question, if you just, you know, title it that way, it's very generic, it's not specific. No one's really gonna find that because when they search for it, it's not gonna come up. So YouTube makes things a little bit more obvious because it has a section for titles, descriptions, and tags. One of the best tools that I use for keyword research is the Keyword Explorer within TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer is amazing because it does it for YouTube and for Google. And generally when people are asking about things, they ask them in YouTube or Google. They don't really ask them in Facebook or Instagram. Facebook and Instagram are mostly for discovering things. But YouTube and Google are for people who are actually actively searching for things. So when you use TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, which is a Google Chrome extension that you can install into your Google Chrome browser, and then when you go on YouTube, you can see it, sign in, create an account. And you can create an account by going to tubebuddy.com/ParEdits. I have an affiliate with them, and it's free, but if you pay for a subscription, then I do get a little kickback. They didn't tell me to say this, so I would really appreciate it if you went to tubebuddy.com/ParEdits, because this tool is extremely useful. I use it all the time. Every time I want to make a video, before I even film, before I do anything, I use the Keyword Explorer to figure out what people are searching for. Because if I'm gonna say something, I want to say something that brings value to people who want the value. I'll dive more into how to use that Keyword Explorer in a strategical way in the future. Let me know down below in the comments if you need that video. But yeah, doing keyword research before making videos is extremely important, and it allows you to figure out, you know, what kind of videos you want to make and what kind of videos do people want to watch. Okay, so you may be titling, describing, and tagging your videos correctly, but if the video is too long on, you know, let's say Instagram, it's not really going to get that much traction compared to if you put a long video on YouTube, let's say. So I talked about David Dobrik before. He makes short videos. They're all 4 minutes and 20 seconds long, and his videos are really short, and there's a ton of them on YouTube. You can like binge watch those. You can just watch them over and over and over because they're short and they're quick, and they all have a ton of content packed into some short little video. And it's easy to watch that on YouTube. Or if you're watching Tasty, which is, you know, BuzzFeed's like cooking channel, they have a YouTube channel and a Facebook page. And on their Facebook page, they have much shorter, quicker videos because the environment of Facebook is super fast. When people are scrolling, they rarely stop. And so Tasty made it so that the very first frame of every one of their videos on Facebook is like how the dish is going to actually look in the end. And so it looks delicious. So people are like, oh my God, that looks amazing. And then it starts the tutorial, so people just keep watching the recipe video. And that's perfect for Facebook. Now on YouTube, they actually have shows, and their videos are like 11 to 15 minutes long compared to 1 minute long Facebook videos. And that's how they need to do it, because when people are on YouTube, they watch videos for a longer average duration than compared to Facebook. Because Facebook people are generally on their phones, whether, you know, they're in the bathroom or on the bus, you know, they're just scrolling through and they don't really want to watch something forever. But if they're on YouTube, they plan on watching videos for a pretty long time. And another example is Hot Ones, which is a show on YouTube where they interview celebrities and they eat like ghost pepper hot wings and like, you know, super hot wings that are making them sweat and all this crazy stuff. And those videos are about 30 minutes long. And they're meant to be on YouTube because YouTube is meant for people to sit down and watch. So you have your title, description, and tags all set, and they all match. The same words in your tags are the same in your description and then your title. The fourth thing you want to make sure of is exactly what you're saying. You want to make sure that the words you're saying are exactly in the title, description, and tags as well. And the reason why you want that is because YouTube and Facebook both auto-transcribe your video. And when they auto-transcribe it, they take the words and the sentences that you say in the video, and they create captions for people that want to turn on captions, and it's automatic. And so YouTube will take that information that it transcribed from your video and match it up with your title and your description and your tags. And if those four are lined up, then you're set up for more success. Because you can have the best title, description, and tags in the world and they all relate to each other, but if the video is completely different from what, all of your metadata is saying, then your video is not going to get good reactions and you're not going to be served to a bigger audience. And YouTube and Facebook and Instagram won't reward you just because you had a good title, description, and tags. Your video has to be good too. So if there are inaccuracies in any way, then your video is not going to perform as well as it should. I hope you guys learned something here, as I had a lot of fun teaching it as always. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also be sure to subscribe if you want more tutorials just like this one. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll definitely get back to you. And yeah, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, so this video is a clip from a full tutorial on how to create videos that stand out. Get access to the free mini course with more on the full tutorial by going to ParEdits.com/createvideo, or you can just click the link in the description down below.